There's no need to really get into introductions. It's Cherry. Welcome to Mr. Cherry's world.
Mr. Make a rock move, Mr. Make the block move, Mr. Keep the block smooth. I'm Mr. Make a rock.
And today, as you guys see, I have a box.
Keep that.
What's in this box, we're gonna get into right away, of course. Now, I've seen this product online for a little while, and I'm not gonna lie, the results definitely show. It is a shoe cleaner. Gotta keep the kicks fresh. By all means. You know what I'm saying? So, on Instagram, I stumbled upon them probably about, I want to say, a year ago or so. And the marketing behind this guy is, man, gung-ho for his brand. Anybody who I feel like personally, if you're all about yours and you're out there promoting what's yours, that not only adds value to your brand, but it gets people's attention. Obviously, you got my attention. The results show, but the personality is there too. And Nulife is the brand. So we're gonna open the box. We're gonna see what I got myself into. Lord knows I need a new shoe cleaner. Alright, box, nicely packaged. So yeah, I got the new Soul Brush, Nulife brush set, and the Evolution bundle, and I'm excited. Let's get into it. Nicely packaged, bubble wrap, the branding's there, everything's there. I like it. Colors. New antidote. Microfiber towel. O sponge. Some eraser sponges. Nylon scrubs. Another microfiber towel. Dual-sided eraser. Soft. Super soft nylon brush. The Evolution of sneaker care. There's the box right here. Back of it. Another eraser. Dual-sided. This is the Soul Brush. Right? Nulife Soul Brush. So specifically for the soles of your shoes. I got this. This was not part of the Evolution bundle. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Hear that? That's gonna get in there where it needs to be. Wow. Got that. Some Just Suede. Specifically formulated for suede and nubuck shoes. I know a lot of people be tearing up they nubuck suede, throwing that water, that sink water, it ain't gonna do it. I got 3 bottles of that. 3 bottles. So another one. Instructions are on the back. I got 2 4-way prep brushes. One comes with the bundle, and I believe I bought one separately. And 1 hog bristle brush. We got that. These products right here, I discovered, like I said, about a year ago, and the quality's there. I will not lie. From what I've seen on Instagram and other people's testimonials, I got all this good product in front of me. I can't wait to show you guys all the new content in a couple of weeks ahead. with new life in my hand, definitely gonna be restoring some kicks, talking my ish, and letting you know how I dish this and bring it, okay? Hey. But on a serious note, I'm gonna go ahead and break out this product very soon, show you guys what I do, what it can do to your shoes. I'll put some fits together, style out some people, talk to the people, get to the people, for the people, by the people.
Days in the trenches, I went ghost like Danny Phantom. Stand up on that money, I'm just tryna get a phantom. Thank God I got a new way and I ain't gotta sell no Hannah card.